Wouldn't it be great if you could use whatever model you liked inside Claude Desktop application? Kimi K3, DeepSeek models, Gemma 4, you name it. If you could just select them just as you do Fable, Opus, Sonnet, etc. Well, the reality is that you can. And if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you. I'm Larry McGuire. I'm a working business psychologist and I'm an AI trainer. I work with businesses and individuals and I help them get the best from AI. I help you train your people and develop a strategy for using and deploying AI in the workplace. And I'm going to show you how you can modify the Claude Desktop application to run whatever model you like. And if you want to know more, there's a link below where you can register for the workshop and find out how it's all done and get the recording and any documentation I have associated with that. In the meantime, I want to show you what it looks like. So this is a screenshot of Claude Desktop from earlier on, and I'm running Ollama to make this happen. So you can see from the list here of models available in Claude Desktop, I can choose Kimi K3, GLM52, Gemma 4, DeepSeek, or whatever I want. I can even run local models. So let me show you really quickly how I do that, and then show you the link where you can subscribe or register rather for the workshop tomorrow. It's free, by the way, and find out how you can do this. Here we are in Claude Desktop, and as is usual or normal, all the models are available. I can select these models here. Arguably 4.6 was better than most of what we have now. But anyway, here we are, we're in it. And as you know, all your data goes to Anthropic, your conversations, the files that you give it, everything up to Anthropic servers, and that's where they copy it all. So your data is at risk, not necessarily at risk from Anthropic themselves, but like any cloud service, it is at risk of being hacked by malicious third parties and so on. But bottom line really, I suppose, is that a lot of businesses or organizations are slow about sending their data to this organization. So that's the big disadvantage of using like this, one of these closed shop AI providers, is that you have no say really in how your data is used. So there's a way around that. And the starting point is, first of all, you need to go and sign up. Let me go in here, back a few spaces. Sign up for an Ollama account. You can sign up for, where's my billing? I think I'm on a 20 quid account. Yeah. Where is it? Anyway, you can check your usage, much like all of these AIs. Set a profile, choose your billing. Yeah, 20 quid a month, and it's kind of basic, but it just gives me enough to test a few things out. I can see what my usage is. I can have a look at all the models that are available. But you don't need another application, another AI app, chat bot to engage with. You want to use maybe your existing development environment or your own harness, whatever happens to be the harness of your choice, to run whatever models you like. And Ollama have allowed you to do that. So once you get your account sorted with Ollama and you download it and you're signed in, you're going to see in your toolbar, now I'm talking about Mac here. If you're on Windows, you're going to have to wait a little while before this feature is rolled out. But if you're on a Mac, this is ready to go right now. You'll see the wee Ollama do that up in the corner here. And you'll also see use Ollama models on the little button. You can enable it from there. You can also enable it from the app itself. Here it is running. And I can switch it on here. I can also grab some of these commands and put it in my terminal. That's for another day. I reckon I covered this before, but once you have an account, you're signed up, you download the app, hit this little bad boy here, and you'll get a warning, not a warning, but a notice. Restart Claude Desktop. So it's going to show it down. Before I do that, why don't I just show you So here's the app. Let's bring up the little dialog box. Move that out of the way so you can see. No, I can't. Right. Let's just restart it. Hit restart. The app will shut down and relaunch with my Ollama login. And hey presto, here's all these models available to me. The Qwen 3.6, where is it? Well, this Qwen 3.6 is on my local machine. So all of the conversations I have and the tasks I give the AI using this Qwen 3.6 stay here. Gemma 4 is also on my machine, so same goes. If I used GLM Cloud or any of these cloud models, well, some of that information goes to the provider, but not to Ollama. But do read their privacy policy, which is here, and make sure you're happy with how it works. I'm not going to read that for you. Nobody can. So you've got to do it yourself. But once you're set up and ready to go, brilliant. Away you go. Test these models. Use CoWork. Add a folder on your machine, same as you would ordinarily do, and get to work using these open models. I'm going to cover this tomorrow in depth and take your questions and all that kind of stuff in the weekly AI workshop. It's at 5 p.m. UTC +1. And to register, you just need to go here. Click on events up the top of the page. And when you go to events, you'll see this AI workshop. The latest one will always be listed here. Click register and register now. Sign up your account, sign in, get it now. And then you'll have access to the recording and any other files and so forth that I have available for you on this workshop. Link below to register as well. All right. And I might see you there. Thanks for watching.